Hello everyone. Sorry it's been a while, but it's been a busy new year. Today we'll finally get to the things I love about this F150 Lightning. And yeah, my previous video was things I don't like. A lot of the people were like, he's nitpicking quite a bit, but hey, it's my video. I get to pick what I like, what I don't like. So let's get started with the first thing, of course, everybody talks about. This is the main feature of the Lightning, and that's this Frunk. And it's not just about having this extra storage in the front, it's also you've got these outlets over here, which I use even right now. I'm using it to charge my equipment for work. There is a nice cooler underneath. I'm not gonna move it right now, but and you know, you got these straps and stuff if you want to hold on to a bunch of stuff. And sometimes a lot of people don't realize if these lights go off, there's a button right here. I know it seems obvious, but a lot of people don't realize. Another thing I like about this truck is the drive. It drives like a Tesla Model Y, but it doesn't look like a Cybertruck. It looks like a normal truck. Does not get unnecessary attention at all. People that know, they know. Otherwise, the amount of times I've had people look at me when I pull up to a Tesla charger and they're just like, I don't know, another asshole with a truck trying to take our spot. Or the amount of times even at public charging spots, I'll go to plug in and people walk around to see if I actually have a EV. Yeah, a lot of people don't know Ford has a EV pickup, so I really like that it doesn't stand out. Some people actually might not like that, but for me it's a win. Another thing I like is, believe it or not, I thought it was a gimmick, but it actually comes in handy, is this step-up bar. It's like a cool party trick, but you think it's a party trick, but I've used it more times than I can remember. Because sometimes you're in a spot where it's, I don't know. And then of course, even in the back, this comes in very handy. I literally purchased a treadmill yesterday, used, and I forgot to test it. And I tested it in my bed. And you know, these are things you can't really do with a normal truck. And then another thing I like is, even though it's a XLT, it's the fact that it comes with a 360 camera. Ford was saying they're gonna remove it for 2025. If they even make a 2025, because I haven't heard anything or haven't even seen any 25 Lightnings yet. And yeah, another thing I'd like, actually one feature that they've removed for 2025 for sure, it's a dealer option, is this keypad. And honestly, it comes in clutch like all the time. At work, I leave my key in the truck and use the keypad. So it's definitely a feature that you should get, even if it's a dealer option now. And on the inside, you can tell, sorry, truck's a little dirty right now, but this is XLT specific. I like the screen. I hate the longer iPad that you get. I love the buttons. You don't have to take your eyes off. It's just easier. You press it, you know, like even the CarPlay in this, sometimes I like to have the screen on where it shows what song you're playing. I'm always just like, just, you know, like trying to aim to push that button. Whereas physical buttons, you just go. So This is something XLT and Pro specific, but it's really good to have. And also the storage in this truck, or the space in the truck is amazing. I used to have a Dodge Ram, and for some reason the leg space was not enough. Like the seat needed to be all the way back in order for you to not touch the glove box. But in this one, it never gets moved. Like no matter who's sitting there, they keep it as is. So this is more roomy. It's got more room than a Dodge Ram or the previous gen, the 2018. So yeah, I really like that. The build quality is good. Sorry, I forgot to mention one more feature I really like. I thought it was going to be a gimmick, but you'll see how much I use it. It's so dirty. This little workspace clutch. I use it for lunch at work because construction, you're not always going to have a place to sit down. So you just turn your truck on, nice and warm, and see, this is my little picnic table for work. And it really is pretty, it's nice to have that storage as well. It's pretty deep. And yeah, other than that, it's standard truck stuff. You know, oh, there it is. So looking for it. You know, you've got storage under, oh, there's the dog bed in the back, but tons of storage. Overall, great truck. I leased it, but I'm thinking now I might buy it out, seeing how there's not going to be any more rebates in the future. But going forward, Canada's done with it. So these are going to be very expensive. No, yeah, apparently they've run out of money. So, and once you drive EV, it's hard to go back to a normal truck unless you're driving a Raptor, you know, or a T-Rex, or whatever the Dodge version's called. But yeah, hopefully you like this video. And again, it's just a simple things I like. One day I'll do some POV driving shots, because the drive, like I said, is very, very nice. It's super quiet, super smooth. But for now, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, hope you had a solid new year, and yeah, subscribe and like the video and comment if you have any other questions. I love responding to all the comments. So thank you so much, and have a great day. See ya.